hill over here to the left. It's a coyote. Over here on top of the hill on the other property. See it? And it just went away. God. After the pause in the call for several minutes, we let out 2 howls with a minute pause in between. During the second howl, we get an immediate response about 700 yards away. We pack up really quick and move over to the adjacent property in order to cut the distance. Straight over in this thicket. Because of a knoll right in front of us, we decided to move down the fence row in order to have a better vantage point. As we were setting back up, we spot 2 coyotes in the field below us. Get ready, it happens quick. Can you see them? Yeah, I'm on them. I don't see it. Oh, baby, that's the one that ran up the hill. Hey, great job. All right, folks, here we are again. Third stand of the evening. Got this dog down. We hunted in a place we'd called in a bobcat a few weeks ago and didn't have much luck until one came in downwind of us. He winded us and took off. And at that point, we decided to vocalize, threw out a few howls. On the second one, we got a response on a neighboring property. At that point, we decided to pick up and move because we had permission over here as well.
Yeah, I would say from where we were at to where they were at, it was at least 500. 600 yards at least. I hadn't checked it yet, but I will later. And so we decided to move, running out of light. As you can see, we're using the truck headlights to actually do the stand breakdown. And once we got up to the top of the hill, we crested it. We let out another howl. They immediately vocalized during the howl. And at that point we didn't know what to do, just to be honest, right? Because there was a little bit of a knoll blocking our view. I was standing up with the camera, and so at that point we need to see down that little gully, and I said, we need to move. And so we actually ended up moving down the fence line, probably 50, 60, something like that. Yep. And man, as soon as we were trying to get ready to set up, figure out what we're going to do, I looked down, and he did too, and we were like, hey, there's 2 coyotes right there. And so we got on them real quick, as fast as we could. Daniel used the fence post to take the shot, drop the coyote. It was a pretty long but unique stand, and definitely an evening we won't forget.
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys for watching.